Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down or locking the watch. This prevents accidental taps while you work. Next, place the watch face down on a soft cloth so the case won't scratch. Locate the small release buttons or latches at the band junction. They're often recessed. Once identified, press and hold the release while you prepare your fingers or a thin tool. Make sure to press firmly but gently. That pressure disengages the latch so the strap can slide out smoothly without damage. You press and hold the release button fully, keeping steady pressure. That disengages the internal catch. While holding, push the strap horizontally, parallel to the watch body, so the lug clears the track. Do not pull upward, which risks bending the connector. If the strap is tight, insert a thin plastic pry tool at the seam for gentle leverage while holding the release. Once the strap begins to move, slide it out slowly. A controlled motion prevents sudden snaps that could scratch. You align the new strap's connector with the track and slide it in until you hear or feel a click. That indicates the latch engaged. Once clicked, give a gentle tug to confirm the band is secure. If it moves, remove and reseat it. If it won't click, inspect the track and latch for dirt or obvious damage. A tiny speck can prevent engagement. Clean with a soft brush, then try again. If problems persist, stop and consult support to avoid forcing or breaking the mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.